When the daylight's banished, driven far away, she rises from her cradle made of shadows and decay. A huntress with eyes glowing wild and fake, walking out of midnight like she never meant to stay. The night blooms open just to take back its queen, silent as a whisper in the spaces in between. She steps on an unfamiliar stage, soft paws on the ground, striding through the darkness where her kingdom can't be found. She woke, running through my dream, born a moonlit sorrow, and the spaces in between. She woke, haunting every scene, fading with the sunrise, like a ghost I've never seen. Batwings crack the silence, her orchestra begins. The moon becomes a spotlight as the cold night settles in. The wind through leafless branches plays the conductor's hand, and her howls a song of haunted echoes through the shadowed land. A shroud of silence gathers around her. Cruel-hearted angels watch her from the unfriendly side of heaven, drinking deeply of the bitterness they see in everything. With raven eyes they measure all the malice she keeps, while the restless forest sleeps. She woke, running through my dreams, born a moonlit sorrow, and the spaces in between. She woke, haunting every scene, fading with the sunrise, like a ghost I've never seen. Half-lost memories whisper who she used to be. Her body freezes, corpse still reaching for the key. But the past turns to fiction, crumbling in her wake, and a tale betrays the truth she never meant to break. Fading now into a decaying fantasy I call my dreams. Her part is done tonight, her secrets buried in cold dark schemes, moving deep within the rest of the dead, hidden well from first to last of the sun's golden rays, wrapped in cobwebs and black crow feathers. I wonder if she dreams of me. She was